Sunday morning traders. We had a war that happened last night with Israel and that Hezbollah. Let me just tell you, territorial disputes, that's one of the issues. Regulatory strikes, that is the current escalation in the party. Now, how is that going to affect your investments when you're up here on the Dow at the high? You're up here on the S&P 500. We did all the updates yesterday. The OEX we updated yesterday. We're up at the highs. NASDAQ 100 with the Israel War is up at the highs. We are not on sale down here. We've explained that clearly. The NASDAQ 100, same thing. The RUI index, we updated yesterday. We're at the high of resistance. We're looking at the Russell 2000 with Hezbollah. Yeah, you heard me. Okay, Israel is to be respected. They're great people. How this will affect your investments over the next 60 days will become extremely clear to you.